Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and here scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on language and region, and as you can see this is the list of a shortcut of currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on edit. And here we've got again our kind of shortcut of the of this long list, which is at the very bottom. And here we've got all available languages from which we can choose. So basically find yours and then tap on it. Let me pick maybe Arabic. Simply tap on this plus icon. Okay, and your device will immediately ask you if you want to set the Arabic as a default system language. So let's tap on yes. And as you can see, right now the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the Arabic, and of course everything will be like transferred to the right side because of the Arabic style. So we've got it here. We can go back, and again here we've got this shortcut. Here we can also change the languages, so we do not have always enter this long list. We can do it right now. So simply tap on the language and hold it, and then we can drag it to the first position, because as the first position is the language which is applied. So here I believe it is changed to English. And as you can see, we've got English set. We can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit and tap on this minus icon. As you can see, we've got only English left. And after getting back, you can see that we've got only one language applied here. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.